And in a big shift from previous set standards on COVID-19 treatment, the government has now officially dropped plasma therapy from COVID-19 management guidelines, saying it was found to be not beneficial in reducing the progression to severe disease or death. The development came soon after a meeting of the National Task Force last week, wherein all members were in favour of removing the use of convalescent plasma from the guidelines, citing its ineffectiveness and inappropriate use in several cases. Let's take this across now to Milan Sharma, who's joining us from Delhi. Milan, good morning. Last year, the buzzword for everyone getting treated was plasma. Now that's completely changed. They're saying that plasma doesn't help at all in fighting COVID.
Well, good morning, Akshita. That's right. And recent studies also revealed that it was doing more help than harm, because top experts from across India and the world had written to the principal scientific advisors stating that it could also lead to emergence of more virulent strains of the virus. The plasma donation and the plasma administration therapy was as such not leading to reduction in the mortalities of those who were given plasma. And that was one of the biggest studies that the ICMR carried out last year in September and also released the results. But the government was heading in this direction because there was indiscriminate use of plasma treatment that was going on, with appeals to donate plasma to banks, with states having created plasma banks. And now with no hard scientific evidence, the government has decided to completely remove it from the clinical guidelines protocol, and now only the use of remdesivir and the use of tocilizumab remains in the off-label use, while plasma therapy has been removed after a lot of hue and cry from the scientific community on its indiscriminate usage.
We understand that this is something that the studies are still progressing on, so your treatment will keep evolving along the line. But there were so many patients who struggled, families struggled, running helter-skelter to get their hands on plasma for these patients. So a lot of people also asking questions on why this was given the nod in the first place. Milan, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Big news break coming in.